And thank you so much po na Inday. Branded Supeng. Up India Cab. I don't know how to read that, my friend. Where are you coming to India? When you are coming to India? After, no, I'm not, if I'm rich, I will go to India. If I'm not rich, I will not go.
George naman, mamatayin. Mga alarm mo yata.
Hindi, kulungan na. Ayun kay Kali.
Gusto ko po yun.
Garut, you also come to India, please. Omar Murtaza Chauhan. Hello, Omar Murtaza Chauhan. Miguel, shout out. Thank you very much. Mag-end na tayo. Binuhat ko lahat. Bakit? Your visa is free from me for you. Sana all. Sana all free.
Ay, ito'y talaga hindi pwede pang matagalang ano. Ay, wag naman. Ito mo na yung every once and a 2 weeks.
Your visa free from you. Oh my God. Visa is very expensive, my friend.
Ay, tay, tapos na. Grabing baon ng kuko ni ate. Tignan nyo naman.
Paktay na. May nanliligaw na. Your deal is very good. My friend, I have already boyfriend, my friend. Paktay kapag nandyan si boss. Your... Sabi niya, hindi, paktay na, may nanliligaw na. Paktay tayo. Sana all may nanliligaw. Pangit pag nakatali. Your character is very good. How many people are there in your family? Well, you need to ask how many people. Too much people. Paktay na, may naliligaw na. Sabi ni Inday. Your hair is very nice and so are you. Na Inday. Help me please. Nawala boses ng live. Tumawag si Amo. Ganun ba na Inday? Oy, my friend na, don't play ha. Look. Bunso, itik yan. Gusto mo.